in the tapestry of life, where the green of the earth meets the rhythm of the human pulse, there lies a profound truth. Plants are not mere bystanders in our journey, but intimate companions, nourishing and healing us as we walk the path of existence. This is the story of plants as both foods and medicines, a narrative as old as time, yet as fresh as the morning dew on a newly unfurled leaf. In the grand design of nature, the human body is a marvel, intricately tuned to the symphony of the earth's flora. For eons, we have evolved in a delicate dance with plants, our very cells attuned to the nutrients and healing they offer. Our digestive systems, those complex networks of silent labor, are masterfully designed to break down plant fibers, extract their essence, and use their medicinal properties to sustain and restore us. The line between sustenance and remedy blurs in the garden of nature. Consider the lemon, its zest a burst of sunshine that fortifies our defenses against the invisible onslaught of infection. The papaya, a tropical marvel, carries within its flesh the power to cleanse our inner landscapes. The humble onion, with its pungent layers, becomes a balm for the weary lungs, while oats, those steadfast grains, offer a foundation for rebuilding strength. The wisdom of herbal medicine shines brightest when we erase the boundaries between food and cure. A bowl of oatmeal, warm and comforting, is more than a morning ritual. It is a source of vigor, a supporter of the nervous system, a bearer of nutrients, and a guardian of digestive harmony. Across the globe, herbalists, those keepers of ancient knowledge, wield an array of strategies as diverse as the cultures from which they stem. Yet, the essence of their craft remains constant: to harness the power of medicinal plants, each with its unique profile of action and potency, to align the body's systems and restore wholeness. The journey to wellness often begins with the very act of eating. You are what you eat, the adage goes. But the herbalist refines this further. You are what you absorb. The plants we consume do more than fill our bellies. They invigorate our digestive systems, enhancing the transformation of food into life-giving sustenance. Breath, that most fundamental sign of life, is supported by herbs that ease the muscles of respiration, inviting the flow of oxygen that fuels our cells. And as the heart beats and blood courses through our veins, herbal allies work in silent efficacy to direct this vital flow, ensuring that each of the body's 100 trillion cells receives its due nourishment. Yet, what the body takes in, it must also release. In our world, where the air we breathe and the water we drink bear the weight of progress, toxicity becomes an unseen burden. Herbal cleansers, like the noble burdock, rise from the earth to lighten this load, allowing the body to channel its energies toward renewal and repair. The skin, our boundary with the world, finds allies in the plant kingdom. Antiseptic herbs stand guard against invasion, while vulneraries like comfrey weave new flesh and blood at the site of wounds. Beneath the surface, the intricate dance of the nervous, endocrine, and immune systems unfolds. This triad, a confluence of electrical, chemical, and mechanical forces, must harmonize for health to flourish. Adaptation is key. Homeostasis, the body's ability to maintain its internal equilibrium amidst the ever-changing external environment. Here, adaptogenic herbs play their part, agents of balance that enable us to weather the storms of life. Ginseng, the root of resilience, offers its strength in times of stress and solace in moments of rest. This is the narrative we weave, a story of interconnectedness, of the human and the herbal, of sustenance and healing. It is a tale that speaks to the core of our being, to the ancient wisdom that recognizes in the leaf, the root, the berry, and the bark the very essence of life's sustaining force.